Welcome to the video, Seed Starting 101. Simple tricks to plan your spring garden now. Mid-December is the perfect time to trade your garden gloves for a planning notebook. Don't let winter slow you down. This is where your best garden starts. Today, we're covering the 3 simple, often overlooked tricks: the damp towel test, cracking the code on seed packets, and building a mini greenhouse for $0. Getting these right is the difference between struggling plants and a vibrant spring harvest. Don't waste soil on dead seeds. This is the quickest way to check your stash. To do the damp towel test, take a simple paper towel and lightly dampen. You do want it moist, not dripping. Lay it flat and count out exactly 10 seeds you want to test onto the towel. Fold the towel over them. Place it gently inside a labeled Ziploc bag and set it somewhere warm. The rule of thumb: if 7 out of 10 sprout in a week, you're good to go. If not, it's time to order new stock. Simple, right? Seed packets can feel like a foreign language, but words like days to maturity and thin to are your secret weapons. But the most important number is days to indoor start. This number tells you exactly when to start your seeds indoors, and it all revolves around your average last frost date. Find your region's date and then do the simple math. Subtract the days to indoor start on the packet. For example, if the packet says start indoors 6 to 8 weeks before last frost, and your last frost is May 1st, your date is mid-March. Start too early, and you end up with leggy, weak plants that won't survive outside. Temperature and humidity are non-negotiable for sprouting. You don't need fancy heat mats or expensive domes. You can create perfect conditions using common kitchen recycling. Demonstrate using a plastic takeout container or a clear produce box with a hinged lid. Alternatively, you can use a standard plastic food container lid placed over a small seed tray. The key: humidity. This container locks in the moisture and creates a warm, stable microclimate for germination. Just remember, once you see those first tiny sprouts popping through the soil, the lid comes off. They need light, not trapping. There you have it. Those 3 simple steps: testing, timing, and trapping humidity are your ticket to a vibrant spring. By starting the prep work now, you're setting your garden up for success, naturally and effectively. Let me know in the comments, what are you most excited to grow this spring? If this video helped you conquer your seed stash, hit the like button. I'll see you next time for more natural health and gardening hacks. Happy gardening, and thanks for watching.